There are three features in Claude that confuse people the most, but once you understand these three different features, you'll never use Claude the same way again. All right, these three different features are Claude MCPs, Claude Skills, and Claude Instructions. And I'm going to explain what these are by using an example that we're building a house. Each one of these features that we give Claude has a different job when building this house. All right, so let's start with Claude Instructions because this is the simplest to set up and it's where everything starts. Before we do anything, we need to lay a foundation. These instructions that we give Claude are our foundation for our project. It tells Claude everything it needs to know before it even starts working. The things that you put in your project instructions with Claude are going to be things like, what's your business about? What should it know about you? How do you like things written? What's your style? These are all things that we need to lay out like a foundation so Claude has the given context and it doesn't need to start from scratch every time. All right, and so sticking with our house analogy, we have the foundation laid, but Claude doesn't know how to build the house on top of it. So we need to give Claude a blueprint on how to build this house. And that's where these skills come in. Skills tell Claude the exact step-by-step process it needs to take in order to accomplish its task. So instead of you explaining to Claude how you want your website built or how you want your document created, Claude will have all of that context already. So Claude opens the blueprint or looks at the skills and it knows how to build it. And so now that Claude has the foundation and the blueprint of the house, we have to give Claude the necessary tools to actually build it. And so these are basically the power tools when we're building this house. So we can tell Claude that we want a document written up about our business. Our project instructions are going to tell Claude what our business is about. Our Claude skills are going to tell exactly how to make this document so it looks good, but then it's just going to be built right there in Claude. The MCP is actually going to upload this to Google Drive for us automatically. No copying, no pasting, no downloading. So MCPs are things that actually go and get things done. So that's it. Foundation, blueprint, power tools, instructions, skills, MCPs. You need to have all three of these to get the most out of Claude, and now you know exactly what each one does. Drop a follow if you want to know which skills, MCPs, and instructions you should be using for your projects.